More properties have come to the market over the past week, giving the shore buyers more homes to view. It's Friday, May 20th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Cecil, Caroline, and Queen Anne counties are all holding at higher buyer demand. Dorchester County is moderate, while Kent and Talbot counties are slow. The number of homes listed for sale has risen to 1,044. 134 properties are coming soon. 193 came to market since last week's report. 93 properties are temporarily off. 107 properties went under contract. 127 properties went to pending. 172 properties settled in 7 days at 100% list to sale ratio. The highest sale over the past week was this waterfront estate in Oxford for $2.1 million. Rentals went up again this week to 47 properties at $1,900 median lease price. That's the Maryland Shore Report, Friday, May 20th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be well.